CTA Digital's articulating laptop plate and pole clamp mount converts laptops into versatile digital workstations. It's the perfect solution for conference rooms, presentation spaces, standing desk stations, and more. Laptops are secure within the steel plate, held firmly in place with rubber grips at the base and 3/4-inch adjustable spring-loaded arms at either side. Once installed, laptops can be rotated 360 degrees on the plate. The laptop is gripped by a sturdy, rubber-lined rotary clamp and 16-inch pole. An 11-inch extender arm with VISA plate attaches the laptop plate to the center pole, creating a sleek, podium-like appearance. This mount clamps to tables, desks, or countertops up to 2¼ inches thick and is compatible with laptops from 11.25 to 17.625 inches wide.